Hello everyone. Don't forget that there are artifacts in the video. Write down which artifact you found and at what second. Whoever answers correctly will be included in the next video. And we drove on.
Look at how many times I got killed by Magic during the passage. You will be shocked. Look carefully during the passage. Oh no, I don't want to face this room matter. Bacon is going to get deal now. Yes, Matcher is going to fly, and he's going to get killed. I wonder how long he flew by. Oh no, he's going to rebound. We're hiding. Wait, what? He didn't even kill me because he wasn't closer to me. Very cool. Already at the 8th door. Maybe something interesting will chase us? Let's find out. No! I need to urgently find a patch. It will heal me so faster. But it will be very difficult to find. But it will be easier to find. Thanks a lot to the version updates. I really want to pass and go through room 100. Wait, what match is coming? No! The game really mocks me every time I record.
Clement, 15th Avenue to K and Mitchell. Route 52, Clement.
Okay, so I just joined 3 players. I hope the same thing won't happen to me. I really hate these incidents. I hope you're a pro and we will pass this game. After Spider is so hard, haha. No match is flying. We need to run for cover soon. We need to use the vitamins quickly. No! Please, developer, let me play the game properly. Look what just happened next time I got killed. Wait, what? No! How did he kill me out of nowhere? This is the first time I captured it on camera. Okay, the next try. I definitely have to get to reach room 100. Especially that bub. Matcher is coming. I know where to hide from him from the essence, and he won't get me. Like you also found a new place for hiding. I'll post the community on a vote. Should I post the video on the separate places that you can hide? I might post a video on the separate places that you can hide besides the closets. I think it will be definitely helpful for you. Mattress coming again! Why do I need a second note? Oh, I know where to hide from the essence. And we drove on. Yeah. Like you also hate this combo. Overseer in blank room. What? Why do I get this particular room? I hope nothing bad can happen now. Well, this is very cool.
That's it. I'm tired of playing. Thank you all so much for watching to the end. Who found all the artifacts? You are great fellows. Write in the comments at what second you found the artifact and what was there. Whoever finds all the artifacts correctly will get into the next video. You are just super. Bye-bye, everyone.